Welcome back to WDSI Presents Simple Tech Tips. And today we're going to create a Google Classroom. Okay, my Simple Tech teachers. First thing we're going to do to get into the Google Classroom is log in. Let me show you how to do that. All right, we're going to begin by entering classroom.google.com in the URL. Now, you want to enter your school's email address. But if your district doesn't use Google, you can enter your own personal. Now that you're in, let's go ahead and create a class. You can click this Create a Class button or in the top right this plus. Either one works, whichever tickles your fancy. Let's give our classroom a class name, which we'll call Quick Tips. A section, we'll call this Week 1. Subject, I'm going to call this Ed Tech. And a room number, we're going to call it 2025 because that's the year of the Simple Tech teacher. And there you go, your Google Classroom. Thanks for watching. Remember, at WDSI, we do simple innovations for simple tech teachers. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your tech teaching journey easier and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you next time.